This is Gwendolyn's present from Grandma.
Come see.
Gwendolyn, shake it. What do you think it is? Gwen, shake it, shake it. See what do you think it is? Gwen?
Did you help you with this part?
Gwen, what do you think it is? Help her. It's all tape.
Oh.
What is that? What is it?
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's a Baraka.
You were right.
Shake it real loud.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you.
Gwen?
Gwen, say thank you, Grandma. No.